Hello kiddos. I know your boards are coming and you're like, Didi, kuch prepare karo. We'll be asking this question to everyone, every YouTuber go around, and you'll be like, you will refer definitely YouTube only. Or you may be going for coaching. If it's okay, it's fine. And you must be like, what are the important questions for this, for that? Will come or not? तो आज आई एम गोना टेल यू अबाउट केमिस्ट्री का जो इम्पोर्टेंट का क्वेश्चंस है ना सब कुछ विल बी डूइंग आई शो यू ऑल माई लाइक रिविजन पेपर्स एंड मॉडल्स ओके सो दैट यू विल बी रेडी फॉर योर प्री बोर्ड्स फर्स्ट उसके बाद बोर्ड्स कर सी आई विल गिव यू वन इम्पोर्टेंट टिप हियर in the last minute never keep any lesson pending. In my case, actually, I got 93% in boards. You must be thinking, what about the 7%? Where did you lose that? So if you're like that, I didn't prepare in geography. Geography I left. Geography and history, I left few chapters like I was focusing in PCM, hence I left that. उसमें कुछ मार्क गया था and English also. But I scored 97 in history. Geography में कुछ like 95 something. So थोड़ा हो गया. But okay, 93% in icse boards is a good mark. But I want you guys to score still better. I want you guys to score maybe 99 point something or 100. Just don't aim for 100% fully. Aim for 99.99% because in my case I got overconfident. Aiming for 100. I got super overconfident. So you can aim for 99.99%. First you prepare for that and leave that 0.001% left, and that let that be the revision. Once you do, you have to be 100%. Let me start. And for you guys, आपको आप 10th वाले हैं ना, आपके लिए है. See, I've saved so many papers for you. What are these papers? It's not A4 sheet. No, it's not A4 sheet. These are fully question papers. Question papers देख सकते हो. See, this is my revision of first revision exam का paper है. First revision exam का chemistry paper है. So today we'll be discussing mostly about chemistry. See, semester 1, sem 1 and then geography सब कुछ है. I will put video on everything. पहले तो chemistry के लिए discuss cycle test 2, 3 everything I'll be discussing. So let me tell you few important questions. I can't discuss everything. Okay, I will only discuss the important questions because if I discuss, so it will take so many hours and it will take your time also. So let me complete it fast and I will discuss few of the important questions. Okay, तो यहाँ पर first of all I'll start with my sem 1 paper जिसमें है okay, electron affinity is maximum in halogens. Yeah, you learned that's from periodic table. You have to learn that. A polar covalent compound is ammonia, an acid which has two replaceable hydrogen ions. Carbonic acid, because it is the formula says COOH twice. So H twice, right? So 2. An aqueous compound which turns colorless phenolphthalein to pink. इसमें थोड़ा confusion रहती है ना. Ammonium hydroxide. An alkaline metal found in period 3 and group 1 is sodium. The one which composed of all kinds of bonds. Ammonium chloride. इसमें ही सब कुछ है. Coordinate, polar, non-polar. The elements arranged in correct order of decreasing nuclear charge. See, decreasing इसमें थोड़ा confusion लग गया था बच्चे के लिए. In my case, actually I wrote the correct answer, but there was confusion. See, the elements arranged in correct order of decreasing nuclear charge. If I'm giving you the options like this: carbon, fluorine, lithium, beryllium. No, right? Check करो. No. Boron, nitrogen, oxygen, lithium. No, lithium. No. Magnesium, aluminium, sulfur, chlorine. Maybe. Sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, aluminium. Not at all. So magnesium, aluminium, sulfur, chlorine. That will be the correct option. ठीक है बच्चा. Now, here you will be thinking about this symbol, right? This symbol like this. You have bigger, greater than, less than. If you want, you can put that to impress the readers. So you can give that. If they're asking you the increasing order, you have to write in this way. Okay. And if they're asking decreasing order, ऐसा कर छोटू. Okay. Now, the hydroxide soluble in excess ammonium chloride is zinc hydroxide. That is only fully soluble. Okay. That's only hydroxide soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. You just make a table and write all the reactions there. Which of the following is a common characteristic of a covalent compound? Molecule contain karega. Okay. Ammonium hydroxide will produce a reddish brown precipitate when added to a solution. Reddish brown precipitate. Yeah. Ferrous chloride. That's correct. Iron chloride. Among the following, which element belongs to group 13? Aluminium. Aluminium, among the following this, beryllium, boron, aluminium, carbon. Boron भी हो सकती है. Yeah, but okay. You can write, if there are two elements, write both of them because there may be more than one option, correct? Which is the shortest period in periodic table? 1, it's easiest. A salt which on hydrolysis produces a neutral solution is sodium chloride. A base having acidity to NaOH, CaOH twice, AlOH twice, FeOH thrice, CaOH twice. See, if there is twice or thrice, and if there are acidity 2 or 3, just click the option which is having 2 or 3, like to CaOH twice. Molecule of water combines with dash to form high. बहुत important question है. This has been asked several times, and students get confused. Oh my god, what is the answer? I'll read out the question again. The molecule of water combines with dash to form hydronium ion. Hydrogen atom, proton, hydrogen molecule, hydroxide. You know what students write? They write hydrogen atom. Is it correct? H3 plus H gives now H3O. No. Proton is the answer. Remember, proton. The molecule of water combines with dash to produce hydronium ion, proton. Okay. Now, okay. This is the first questions are MCQ wale. And question number 2 may they'll ask about give reasoning, name the following. After that, match the following, Phillips, define the following. And section B, you have to attempt any 4 questions. It may be any of questions. You have to learn the most important lessons will be ammonia lesson. Ammonia lesson, never leave that. Sulfuric acid is not, nitric and sulfuric acid okay. But ammonia lesson is super important, yeah. HCl and ammonia lesson, you have to make it. Okay, they ask so many questions in that. Then uske baad, and this one is my revision 2 ka. Okay. Strong electrolyte from the following: acetic acid, oxalic acid, ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Strong electrolyte. Where there is like ions present, there only mostly will have that strong electrolyte. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is the correct option now. उसके बाद which of the following salts is green in color? Ferrous sulfate, ferric chloride, aluminium sulfate, potassium bisulfate. Ferrous sulfate. Already I think हमने तो ये तो देख लिया था ना? Yeah. No, we didn't say okay. In electrolytes, see there is green colored salt as well as blue color. Blue color. Okay, आप एक बार research कर लो blue color क्या है? In electrolytes, the conduction of electricity is due to movement of ions. Ions की movement है ना? Okay. Which equation for the reaction of anode is correct? This has been asked so many times. So क्या करें? I've given options like nickel. Now nickel gives Ni2 plus 2 electrons. Ni plus 2 electron gives Ni2 plus. You can see the question here. From here you can find only option D is correct, right? Ni2 plus gives 2 electrons and gives a nickel. Now, a non-metal which has been placed in activity series of metals. Of course, hydrogen. Of course, hydrogen. Which of the following is not an attackable electrode? Graphite. Okay, graphite. Remember, when I used to learn these kind of things, I used to remember like that. Like few of the questions, like I should tell stories, कुछ story बना लेती थी like this. Okay, think like this. Let's consider that there is a granny. Okay, granny. You have played granny, right? Let's consider you have a granny, and let's say she is actually uh, very innocent, that she doesn't attack anyone, right? Hence, not attackable, and grannies can attack anyone, right? The non-attackable electrode will be graphite. So graphite will be the answer. Dry HCl gas can be collected over upward displacement of air. Now, अब अभी तो समझिए. Remember, very important that nitric acid is collected over downward displacement of water, and ammonia gas is collected over downward displacement of air, and hydrogen is again collected over downward displacement of water. Okay, and you have to learn the reasons for that also. Clear? Yes. Now HCl gas is dried using drying agent is very important. Yeah, concentrated H2SO4. You have some ferric salts also. I don't know what is that. Fine. Okay. The acid which is used in preparation of non-volatile acid is non-volatile acid. See now here, acid used to prepare non-volatile. If they ask non-volatile acid, you can just give it as HCl. But they're asking the acid used to prepare. इसी में दो confused हो जाते हैं. Sulfuric acid. Okay. So sulfuric acid will help us prepare HCl. Got it? Now, when HCl is used added to sodium sulfide, the gas evolved this rotten yuck smell. C3. What is that? H2S. Hydrogen sulfide is a rotten egg smell. You know what smell? I've smelled that actually. It smells very bad. Fine. Ammonium nitrate is used in textile industries. Okay, explosive. So you can learn all the uses. Very important. Because see, ammonia lesson में use is बहुत ही important है, because they ask from there only MCQs. MCQs में they'll be giving like this. It is used to prepare this, that, but they won't tell you what, right? Now, sal ammoniac has the chemical formula NH4 twice SO4. NH4 twice SO4. Then am I right? NH4 twice SO4, or NH4 twice CO3 they'll give, or NH4OH, or NH4Cl. Answer is NH4Cl, okay? Not NH4 SO4. That is in the option. Ammonia turns Nestler's reagent color brown. It will turn it as brown color. Calculate the empirical formula for C2H6O2 divided by 2. Common factor लेकर कर लो. I think this is the most easiest part ever. Calculate the empirical formula. Mass C2H6. You divide and then you have to add the masses. Okay. चलिए, now after this. Okay. ये तो साइकिल टेस्ट 2 में पूछ लिया था उन्होंने. Choose the best answer. Metals are generally reducing, oxidizing. Which one? Now, reducing means losing. Remember that. Reducing, losing, and oxidation is opposite of oxidizing. Reduction means gain. Reducing means lose. See, reducing weight, matlab kya? Losing weight. That's what you can remember. Oxidizing means gain, and oxidation means lose. So, metals are generally reducing agent. The electron affinity of elements in group 1 to 7. This was a confusion question. See, electron affinity of elements in group 1 to 7. They didn't ask your periods. Period 1 to, they will confuse like that. They only gave half groups. 1 to 7. There are totally 18 groups, but they have given 1 to 7. Whatever it is increasing. Got it? Ionization potential increases over a period from left to right. Why? Atomic radius increases. Is it? No. Decreases. Atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge will increase. Okay. When two pairs of electrons are shared, the bond formed between the two atoms is share. Two pairs, double covalent bond. Okay. And what is covalent bond? Mutual sharing. Mutual is very, very important. That's the hint word there. Okay. Among the following, which is one that is composed of all three kinds of bonds. And all three kinds of bonds is present in ammonium chloride. Okay. This question is repeating again you can see. Uske baad give reasons. Okay guys, let me give you this chemistry ka extra. I've only discussed 3 papers. Still there are so many other papers. So I'll discuss in part by part because you will be tired now. So in the next part, we will see the next few set of questions. Now you have seen nearly like 30 MCQs I have discussed, and I think you must have like you're now getting some hint which is asked more often, right? Nearly ammonia lesson on HCl like that. Am I right? Okay. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Okay, you start learning and you start preparing. You have to score full marks in your pre-boards. All the best.